Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how Equitable Bank calculates interest. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about what Equitable Bank is. Equitable Bank is a Canadian online bank that offers a variety of banking products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, and GICs. One of the things that makes Equitable Bank unique is that they offer high interest rates on their savings accounts. Now, let's get into the meat of this video and talk about how Equitable Bank calculates interest. How Equitable Bank calculates interest. Equitable Bank uses a daily compounding interest calculation method. This means that your interest is calculated daily and added to your account balance. This is good news for you because it means that your money is earning interest more quickly than it would if it were calculated monthly or quarterly. The interest rate that Equitable Bank uses is called the annualized interest rate. This is the rate that is quoted on their website and in their marketing materials. However, the actual interest rate that you earn will be slightly lower than the annualized interest rate because of the daily compounding. To calculate the actual interest rate that you will earn, you need to use the following formula. Actual interest rate equals 1 plus annualized interest rate slash 365, caret 365 1. For example, if the annualized interest rate is 2.5%, then the actual interest rate would be 2.508%. Now that we know how Equitable Bank calculates interest, let's take a look at a few examples. Example 1. Let's say that you have $1,000 in your Equitable Bank savings account. The annualized interest rate is 2.5%. If you leave your money in the account for 1 year, you will earn $25.08 in interest. Example 2. Let's say that you have $1,000 in your Equitable Bank savings account. The annualized interest rate is 2.5%. If you leave your money in the account for 2 years, you will earn $50.56 in interest. Example 3. Let's say that you have $1,000 in your Equitable Bank savings account. The annualized interest rate is 2.5%. If you leave your money in the account for 3 years, you will earn $76.34 in interest. As you can see, the longer you leave your money in your Equitable Bank savings account, the more interest you will earn. Additional information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about how Equitable Bank calculates interest. Interest is calculated daily on your account balance. Interest is paid monthly. The minimum balance required to earn interest is $1. There is no maximum balance limit. You can withdraw your money at any time without penalty. You can find more information about Equitable Bank on their website, https://www.equitable.ca. You can also find information about Equitable Bank on their social media channels. Twitter, https://twitter.com/equitable.bank. Instagram, https://www.instagram.com/equitable.bank. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.